Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking essentials because skipping them wastes time later. Verify the machine meets CPU, RAM, and 10 GB free storage. Use admin credentials and enable 2FA for security. Once connected to a stable network, choose wired if possible, then open the system console. Next, run the initial integrity check. This flags missing drivers and permissions. Make sure to accept only verified updates. They prevent conflicts. Now move on to the interactive setup screen to begin configuration. Once you reach configuration, proceed methodically. The wizard walks you through locale, time zone, and language, which prevents later mismatches. Create the primary admin and a standard user and assign clear roles. This limits accidental changes. Then install the monitoring, backup agent, and current security patches so you can recover if something breaks. Make sure to configure SSH and firewall rules now because retroactive changes risk downtime. Finally, validate services are running before moving to optimization. You finish by validating the whole system, run health checks, verify service status, and execute a small sample workload to ensure behavior matches expectations. Document every configuration change and push backups offsite. Schedule automated snapshots to simplify recovery. If something fails, check the logs first to identify the root cause, then restart the specific service rather than rebooting the whole system. If restart fails, revert to the last good snapshot. This restores a working state while you investigate further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.